Welcome to my world. Look at the sky this morning. We're going to be doing a cleaning video today. A lot of cleaning. Aren't those clouds awesome? Look for that subscribe button and smash on it. I'm waiting for the school bus. They'll be here in a moment. As soon as Jacqueline is gone, we're going to go upstairs and we're going to get cleaning. We're even doing bed sheets today. That is the blue jay. They found out the peanuts were on the ground. Here's, we're going to strip my bed first. Jacqueline's bed needs to be stripped. Got to sweep and mop, as I mentioned. Got a stack of laundry to put away. And there's some kind of reset button in my house that I have not found from all the cleaning that we do. And it just ends up like that, like nothing. Dining area, not too bad. I have boxes to put some small things away on the back porch rather than buying bins. Hang up Jacqueline's costume properly so it's ready for after school. I'm going to go trick-or-treating around 5 o'clock-ish. Well, the kids are anyway. I'm not allowed. Certain things Jacqueline doesn't want mom and dad with anymore. Finished stripping this bed. The bathroom, which is currently occupied by my husband who works from home, if you're new. Take care of the counter. Our library gave us a lot of leftover goodies, including a whole gallon of cider, not much in the sink. He already stripped his bed. Garbage will go out later today because Wednesday's garbage day. And take care of this part of the kitchen. Let's get started. Make sure the pillow goes as well. Hey everybody, we are doing the cleaning routine thing. I'm getting the bed stripped. It's laundry day. So we're showing you some clips that we do our bed sheets. We do have full videos of bed sheets washing and the Clean With Me playlist down below. Just move the pumpkin out of the way because we're going to dump out the clean laundry onto the table so I can put the sheets into the basket to go downstairs. My husband does a lot of the heavy lifting and putting the wash in. He does work from home. Taking care of the front bedroom, Jacqueline's bedroom if you're new. Just turn the camera around a little bit. And now we're going into the closet in Jacqueline's room. I'm going to hang up the costume so it stays nice until they get home and get ready for trick-or-treating later tonight. This video is previously recorded. It was recorded on Halloween. So happy Halloween, everybody. Gonna get this dresser tidied up. Take care of the mug in a moment. Gonna make sure it goes in the sink to get washed. My husband's David mug. And now we're going to take care of the stuff that goes with the costume and shake the rug out because we're going to adjust the camera angle and sweep and mop in the TV room. And yes, that is the Christmas tree that you see. I put my stuff up early November so I can enjoy them for 2 months because they're in a box all year long. And I love Christmas, love Thanksgiving, and I love Halloween. This is my favorite time of the year, fall into winter. And I love the seasons as they change, the bright colored trees in the fall. And I love the snow. We go sledding when we can. But we haven't had a lot of snow in the past few years. We did the baseboards real quick. I'm going to run the mop in Jacqueline's room. I swept first thing this morning. So I'm going to do the mop in here because it needed it. A nice, fresh, clean room with clean bed sheets. And a nice mopped floor when Jacqueline gets home after school today. Then we're going to take care of the laundry on the table. We carved our pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed the Tik Tok hack with that. If you have not seen that video, you can check it out in the Let Us Eat playlist. We also did pumpkin seeds, and Jacqueline enjoyed carving their pumpkin. David cut the main part because Jacqueline doesn't like knives, and she drew the face, and I carved the eyes, so we all participated and really enjoyed the evening after trick-or-trunking at our church up the road. So clothes are now folded. Now we're going to sweep in here, go around the table, and I'll get under the table. It gets kind of tricky at times. I have vacuumed in here before, but it's a hassle. It's just best to use the broom through here, and I clean in the morning, and that can be rather loud to the lady downstairs, so I try not to vacuum before 9 o'clock. I'm going to grab the mop as soon as we're done sweeping, and we're mopping through. I'm going to get under the table and chairs. The Swiffer is really great for that. And using the Bang from Dollar Tree. We're big Dollar Tree fans. Going to empty out the garbage, the kitchen garbage. We'll talk about a little later in the video. These bags are only good for small garbage cans or lightweight things from Dollar Tree, so don't buy them if you're going to use them for heavier garbage. Now we're going to take care of the sink. A little bit of Ajax in the sink, a little bit in the toilet. Then you're going to wash the walls of the sink and the basin area all the way around the little counter part, and the faucets last. I'm going to scrub them down. Make sure I rinse out the soap dish to make sure there's no soapy water in it. And under the lotion bottle. We're going to turn our attention to the toilet. Keep trying to find different ways so you guys can see better when I'm scrubbing. The Ajax soaked for a minute or two. I'm just going to do the brush on parts where we don't sit down on, and then the rest of the toilet will be washed down with the Bang and a washcloth. I have rags, especially for bathroom cleaning, that I keep in a Dollar Tree bin on my 4-cube from Walmart. You can buy these at walmart.com or in store. They're by Better Homes and Gardens. Now we're into the bedroom in the middle part of the house. I'm going to hang up my purse, put my camera away. Did some photography for the church yesterday. Took pictures of the cars with the trucks all decorated. The kids really enjoyed themselves. Going to do a sweep in here first. My wire fell for the phone. Then we're going to mop in here. There's a lot of dirt and dust in here, and I just did this on Monday. We swept. We mop a couple times a week in this bedroom. Not too often because I'm not as messy as Jacqueline. We try to mop every other day in Jacqueline's room or as needed. Sweeping and mopping is multiple throughout the weeks, especially sweeping. I do that throughout the day, and then mopping is as needed. In the kitchen, we do a couple times a week to keep the floors nice and clean, especially with cold season among us. Taking care of the sweeping, and then we're going to switch to the mop and spray the floor down. The Bang does a really good job. It's a multi-purpose cleaner. You can use it on your counter surfaces as well as the floors. Dollar Tree has really great cleaning products that wipe got gross and the trash it goes. Onto the back porch briefly. I want to get these boxes in here. And then I noticed some bins were on a table where they shouldn't be because it was flimsy. I don't want the table part cabinet to roof of it to crack. David cracked one of the teal bins, and I got to try to get a replacement lid for it to find out if I can buy one or not, or may just have to buy a whole new bin and cut my losses there. Now the bins that were on the table are up on top. I'm going to stack some things up that we use on a regular basis that stay in here out of sight, out of mind. And then we're going to focus on David momentarily because he's going to put his clean bed sheets on. He got up very early, started stripping the bed, and he's getting the bed sheets on. Then we're going to go back to the kitchen. Going to clean up the clutter on the countertop, put the toaster away, and move the cookies out of the way briefly. We got a really nice treat from the library at the end of the Halloween parade that we participated in on Saturday. I was Monica Geller as a chef during the parade. My child dressed up as a deceased Victorian child from the early 1900s. Picked everything out herself, and we ordered it for her. Now we're taking care of the dishes in the sink, because then we can wipe down the sink, and I'm going to disinfect the sink today and the countertops. I do that a couple of times a week, and then in between use hot soapy water just to make sure that everything stays nice and clean. I'm just a normal person who cleans and likes to show you all how we do things here in upstate New York and out in the country part of New York. A lot of waterfalls, apple orchards, a great school district. Then we're going to turn our attention to inside the sink. I'm going to spray it down with a Bang and a tea towel. I love using tea towels for cleaning rather than sponges because I'm going to just throw them into the wash and not waste a sponge. We tend to keep the sponges to the bitter end. We swap them out a couple times a week. I stockpile them from Dollar Tree. They're a 5-pack, yellow with green backs. Been buying them for over 20 years. Now we're taking care of the countertop with the bang, getting it scrubbed down. We're going to turn our attention into the microwave area with the stovetop and the coffee maker. Get it wiped out a couple times a week. We wipe it out, keep it very clean. I'm going to do the stovetop, my spoon rest from Chris Elliott. Get it all cleaned up for the day. I'm going to do the inside door part of the oven in a moment. I'm wiping underneath the coffee maker and underneath the pot holder, the top part of the stove. I'm going to spray the door down. And then we're going to take care of the refrigerator. This is the new refrigerator that we got. It is brand new, not a scratch and dent. Garbage can, wipe it down. It'll be emptied out at the end of the day after dinner, because Wednesday is trash day. And I do the inside of the lid as well. Fix a few things over here. Take care of some pot holders that fell. My frying pan, I'm going to get that rinsed off so it's ready for breakfast later. I don't eat first thing in the morning. And we're done. The garbage can is taken care of. If you're new, don't forget to smash on that subscribe button for great cleaning videos. We do also do decluttering and organizing videos separately. There are also full laundry routines available in the Clean With Me playlist down below. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Gift cards are Amazon, eBay, Burger King, McDonald's, Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, Walmart, and Dollar Tree, $10 amounts for you. If you're new, come let me know who you are. You must be subscribed and a U.S. resident for any of the giveaways. Still looking for 10 people to give out a 5 items prize pack from the Dollar Tree, valued at $6.25. That room we're going to do a separate video on with extreme cleaning on the opposite side. Going throughout the house to admire the hard work that I did. I hope I was able to get you motivated to get your house done. The tub I do after my shower. I don't do it on camera because it's rusty with the bathroom and sink and toilet is done though. The beds are stripped, the floors are swept and mopped, and we're ready for the day. We are now on Instagram. I'll put those clothes a little later and fix the rugs. Make sure all the lights are out during the day. We try to use small lamps. Smash on that subscribe word. My email is countryboots1268@yahoo.com. We're not responsible for lost or stolen prizes through the mail. All this information can be found down below, and we're on Facebook, so join us there with our page and group for more great recipes and fun. I post there daily. We are ready for the day. It feels good to get cleaned. Even if it's hard for you to get up and start cleaning, do the hardest tasks first and then work your way to the easiest, and it's a breeze. And I promise you, my friend, you'll feel much better and happy that things got done. Don't forget to check out our playlist down below, including our Dollar Tree haul playlist. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.